Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to go through the trade with you on this 22nd day of June 2026. And yeah, another great day in the charts for us. Now, the setup is as follows. Usually we look for the strong candle indicator, which is this little triangle pointing down in this case. And it's red, meaning go ahead and trade the market down to the bottom of the screen. And that's exactly what we're going to do. So then we look over at the PVI. How far can I expect this next candle to go? And probably somewhere between 80 and 120, 110 ticks. And we'll pair our ATM to that. And we'll go for 20s, 50s, and 100. So this is a trade taken in the room today. So this is how it all went down. This particular candle closed below these brick walls. We just need to have it push up real quick, push retrace off of it, and then we'll be in. We want to get our first target out as quickly as possible. Don't really enjoy trading into the previous pivot, but the larger charts are all pointing to a short at this point, and this is how it all went down in the room today. So we just need this to pop back up. It's going to be relatively quick, I think. Anyway, we'll see if I can start this and get the trade on at the same time. There we go. Well, whether we do or not, that's good enough. First thing we got to do is put our stop where it belongs. The last major failure point is right here. All right, now notice that our stop went all the way back here, and we give ourselves a little bit of a buffer. Now it came and took us out again, so we'll just put another order on. If it decides to go long, straight up the chart, that's fine too. But we're hedging it. If the market just wants to go all the way to the top, we're no longer in the trade. We got to break even when our first target was taken out. We'll get in right at the body of this candle and we'll go. Now we can't get past these two levels, so we just do the same sequence over again. Put our stop where it belongs, wait for our first target to get taken out, and get into a break-even position. At that point, we just put our feet up and relax, and whatever's going to happen is going to happen. So 20s are out again. We are at a break-even position. Now let's see if this time we're going to go ahead and get our larger targets hit. So yeah, I love our ATMs. We're able to go to a break-even position relatively quickly. And if it takes us out of break-even, we have a choice of whether to put another order on or just let the market go. Now you can see it's having a hard time with the previous pivot. And we'll just have to give it a wait and see. Now that we have all our targets set, I can go ahead and actually speed this up a bit. All right, so our second target, the 50s are out. We're actually 90 ticks ahead right now with a stop at minus 18. So we're plus 72 is the worst we're going to do on this particular trade. And now we just need to have some patience and see if we can get down to our 100 tick target. There we are. We're out. That trade took 4.5 minutes to complete and was worth 960 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 960 US dollars in 4.5 minutes, come and join us at SamuraiDayTrading.com. It's SamuraiDayTrading.com. We look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. So God bless you, and we'll see you next time.